In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do deep research with Google Gemini. We'll walk through the exact flow so you can go from a blank screen to meaningful citation-rich insights without getting lost. Start by opening your Gemini account. If you're on the web or using the app, sign in and make sure you're on the main workspace. From there, click New Chat. This gives you a clean session so your research stays organized and focused on one topic. You'll see the prompt box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll enter your instructions in plain English. Before you start typing, look for the Tools option. Click Tools, then select Deep Research. Turning this on tells Gemini to go beyond a quick answer and instead gather sources, compare viewpoints, and build a structured, well-supported response. It may take longer, but the payoff is higher quality results. If you have material you want analyzed, you can upload your own file right here. This is great for reports, articles, or lecture notes. Add the file, and Gemini will use it as a primary source during the session. Keep in mind that supported file types can vary, and larger documents may take more time to process. When you upload, give clear context in your prompt about what you want from that file: summaries, key findings, argument mapping, or contradictions to look for. Now, enter your prompt. Be specific about the task and the outcome you want. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about climate policy," try, using the uploaded report, outline the 3 most significant policy proposals, summarize supporting evidence, and flag any gaps that the report doesn't address. You can also ask Gemini to cite sources, compare differing viewpoints, or produce an outline you can refine later. After you submit, wait patiently while deep research runs. You may see a progress indicator. The time it takes depends on the complexity of your request and the size of your file. Avoid interrupting the run with new prompts unless you need to correct something important, because each restart can add to the wait. When the results arrive, scan for structure, sources, and any assumptions. If something isn't clear, follow up in the same chat with targeted refinements like shorten the summary, include direct quotes from the file, or separate findings from opinions. Staying in one thread helps Gemini maintain context and improve the depth of its analysis. That's it. Open your Gemini account, start a new chat, enable deep research, optionally upload your file, write a precise prompt, and give it time to work. With those steps, you'll unlock a powerful, reliable research workflow.